Hey everyone, welcome to your practice. Welcome to 20-minute mindfulness. My name is Jono, and this is your on-to-go flow. So we're going to pack in quite a few poses and flows to about 10 minutes. So yeah, let's get moving straight away. Let's get our heart rate up a little bit. Let's breathe deep. So come into all fours, then as you're ready, push your hips up and back into downward facing dog. Set your foundation first. Hands outer shoulder distance apart. Spread your fingers. Feet outer hip distance apart. Bend your knees and then start to lower one heel down towards the ground at a time here. Shifting your hips from side to side as well. And start to deepen your inhales and lengthen your exhales. Starting to establish a more conscious relationship with your breath. Soften through your shoulders, relax your eyes, soften your jaw. Nice, then come to stillness. Lift your right leg up into space behind you, three-legged dog, toes flexed towards the floor. This will keep your hips level. Then point your toes, bend your knee, stack your hips, coming into scorpion pose here, as some people like to call it. And we'll just hold for 3, 2, 1. Good. Then step your right foot to your outer right hand. Your heel might be on your mat, your toes off your mat. Make sure your toes are pointing in the same direction as your knee. Lower your back knee to the floor. We're not super warm just yet, so we're not going to come down onto our elbows. So just shift your hips a little bit from side to side here in lizard pose. Breathe deep. Broaden through your collarbones. And gaze just slightly ahead of your mat. Good, then place your left hand right underneath your face, pick up your back knee, and then step your right foot back. Either stack your feet or stagger your feet. Okay, if side plank isn't your thing, then lower your bottom knee to your mat, and then reach your right arm up towards the sky. Breathe deep. And we'll hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Lower both hands down. Come into normal plank. Inhale here. Exhale. Lower halfway or all the way. Untuck your toes or roll over your feet. Inhale. Come into your back bend. Up dog or cobra. Shoulders down. Elbows in. And then exhale. Up and back to downward facing dog. Holding here for a breath. Then lift your left leg up into the space behind you. Three-legged dog, toes flex down. Then point your toes, bend your knees, stack your hips. Scorpion pose. Engage your glutes here. Push evenly into both of your hands, holding for 3, 2, and 1. Then step your left foot to your outer left hand. Lower your back knee to the floor. Come up high onto your fingertips. Soften your shoulders, broaden your collarbones, and shift your hips from side to side here, holding for 3 deep, even breaths. I just realized I forgot to turn my timer on. Lynn, can you tell me when it's been 10 minutes or 8 minutes? Thank you. Okay, from here, plant your right hand right underneath your face. Pick your back knee up, step your left foot back, and either stack or stagger your feet or lower your bottom knee. Reach your left arm up towards the sky. Holding side plank for 5, 4, 3. Firm your core. 2, and 1. Lower both hands down, coming through plank. Inhale here. Exhale, lower halfway or all the way. Inhale, lift your chest. And exhale, up and back to downward facing dog. Holding for a breath. Good, then pick your right leg back up. Point your toes, bend your knee. Open up your hips, scorpion pose. Holding for 3, 2, and 1. Good. This time, step your right foot forward in between your hands. Keep your back knee lifted. Inhale, reach both arms up. Coming into high crescent lunge. Inhale, stretch both arms up, bend your front knee deeply. Exhale, cactus your arms. 2 more. Inhale, reach. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, reach. And exhale, cactus. Good. Lower both hands down. Left hand in the center of your mat and back into side plank. Reach your right arm up. Stack your feet, stagger your feet, or lower your bottom knee to the floor. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Back through plank. But this time, step your right foot to your outer right hand. Keep your back knee lifted. And then reach your right arm as far forward as you can. Bend your left elbow and lower your chest and forehead a little bit down towards the floor. Open up to a deep, even breath here. Really firm the muscles of your arms and your legs. And push into the floor to find a little bit more length through your spine. Good. Then plant both palms. Take a big step back to plank. Inhale here. Exhale, lower. Halfway or all the way. Inhale, lift your chest. And exhale, up and back. Nice. Holding down dog for 1 breath. Then lift your left leg up. Point your toes. Bend your knees. Stack your hips. Scorpion pose for 3, 2, and 1. Then look forward. Shift your weight forward. Step your left foot in between your hands. Inhale, reach both arms up. Exhale here. Bend your front knee deeply, straighten your back leg. Inhale, reach. Exhale, cactus your arms, squeeze your shoulder blades together. 2 more. Inhale, reach. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, reach. Exhale, cactus. Good. Then lower both hands down. Right hand right underneath your face. Step your front foot back into side plank. Stack, stagger, or drop your back bottom knee. And reach your left arm up. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Lower both hands down. Then take a big step forward to your outer left hand with your left foot. Keep your back knee lifted. And then stretch your left arm as far forward as you can. Bend your right elbow as you lower your chest and forehead down. And keep your legs active and engaged here as you lengthen through the top of your head. Keep your breath deep and even. Facial muscles relaxed, and we'll hold for 1 more breath. Good. Plant both palms under your shoulders. Big step back to plank. Inhale here. Exhale, lower halfway or all the way. Inhale, lift your chest. And exhale, up and back to downward facing dog. Hold here for 2 deep breaths. Nice. Then lift your right leg back up. Point your toes, bend your knee. Stack your hips. Scorpion pose 1 more time. Holding for 3, 2, and 1. Good. Then step your right foot forward. Come up into high crescent. Inhale, reach both arms up. Exhale here. This time, slide your left hand down your left leg and lean back. Look up towards the ceiling. Bend your front knee just a little bit more. Maybe even place your right hand to the back of your head. Lean your head back into your hand to find a little bit more opening through your chest and support for your head. We'll hold for 3, 2, and 1. Good. Then turn your back heel down. Slide your back hand down your back leg. And then come into reverse warrior, exalted warrior. Place your hand to the back of your head. Lean your head back into your hand. And we'll hold here for 3. Maintain the bend in your front knee. 2. And 1. Good. Then lower both hands down. Spin your back heel up. Take a big step back to plank. Inhale here. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift your chest. And exhale, up and back. Okay, we'll finish that first side. So pick your left leg up, point your toes, bend your knees, stack your hips, scorpion pose, holding for 3, 2, 1. Shift your weight forward, step your left foot forward, inhale, reach both arms up, exhale here. Then slide your right hand down your back leg, maintain the bend in your front knee as you open up through your heart. Place your left hand to the back of your head, lean your head back into your hand, and we'll hold for 3, 2, 1. Good. Spin your back heel down, slide your back hand down your back leg, reverse your warrior. Place your left hand to the back of your head, lean your head back, maintain the bend in your front knee for 3, 2, and 1. Good. Lower both hands down, last flow. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower halfway or all the way. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, down dog. Good. Then lower your knees, push back into child's pose if you like. Lie down, take a very short shavasana, or if you have to, continue on with your day. I hope you feel more energized now. I sure am sweaty. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you again soon. Namaste.